In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney AI on mobile. Let's get you creating right from your phone. First, open your preferred mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, or anything you like, and head to midjourney.com. A stable internet connection helps a lot here because image generation can take a moment and you don't want the page to reload mid-process. If the site looks compact on your screen, remember you can pinch to zoom and scroll. The mobile layout is designed to be touch-friendly. Next, tap Sign In. You'll see options to log in with Discord or Google. Choose the account you already use with Midjourney and follow the prompts to authorize. If you have two-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Keep your credentials secure and avoid signing in on shared devices unless you trust them. When you're done, you'll land on your account inside Midjourney's mobile interface. If you have an active subscription, you can jump straight into creating. On the Create page, look for the Imagine bar at the top. That's where you'll type your prompt. Think of your prompt as a clear description to the AI. Describe the subject, style, mood, color palette, and lighting you want. You can also mention an aspect ratio like square for social posts or widescreen for wallpapers to better match your final use. Start simple if you're new, then refine based on the results you see. After you submit, give it a moment to process. When images appear, you can tap to view them full screen and save them to your device's gallery. If the Imagine bar isn't visible, it likely means your plan isn't active on this account. Check your account status and then return to the Create page. Prefer working inside Discord? You can do that on mobile too. Open your Discord app and navigate to the Midjourney bot or the server channel where you normally generate images. Type your prompt in the chat just as you would on desktop. The bot will return image grids in the channel. Tap to open, zoom in to inspect details, and save to your device. This approach is great if your creative workflow already lives in Discord because you can iterate and discuss in the same place. That's it. Visit midjourney.com on your phone, sign in with your existing account, and start prompting in the Imagine bar or switch to the Discord app if that's your preferred flow. Keep your prompts clear, iterate thoughtfully, and you'll get impressive results right from your pocket. Happy creating.